Okay, so don't come to me and be like, just hang out with the formula. Well, I guess you should have wrote it down. Okay, so we label these how? Okay, how does this one go? X1. What's this one called? Y1, X2, Y2. Okay, so how's this going to be? What comes first?
7 minus, what is it?
-12 minus what? 7 over. What's X2? -18 minus X1. -20. Okay, if you don't write it down like I just did, and you type it all in your calculator and you get it wrong, you're gonna miss a heck of a lot of points. Okay? Because that's the first thing I do, and I'm like, did they write it down right? Like, because if you accidentally flip your numbers, like I'm still gonna give you some points. Like you tried to use the formula. Okay, but if you showed me nothing and you got it wrong, you're gonna miss everything. So, type that in your calculator, see what you get. 19 over 2? You got 19 over 2? What is 19 over 2? What were we finding? This thing right here. Okay, it's our slope. Okay, the next one says find the slope and the y-intercept. What form is this in? What form is this in? Y equals mx plus b. What's the name of that? Yeah? It's called the slope intercept form. Okay, it has a slope and it has an intercept. Okay, so if we look at this, what's our m? 3 over 4. What's our b?
2,
-2. No, you just type it in. It would be addition if you're doing it by hand, but you're not. So. Yours looks right. Hold on, let me think. Negative. This should be -19 over 2. For those of you guys that got positive, you forgot a minus sign. Okay? If you got positive 19 over 2, that means you forgot a minus sign when you were typing it in your calculator. Okay, the next section says write the slope intercept form. What should this look like? 4/5 x plus 1. Okay, a bunch of you guys are forgetting that x part. Make sure that you put the x there. Okay, identify the x and y intercepts. Okay, what's the x-intercept? 4. What's the y? -4. Okay, the next section on here says find the slope of this line. How do you find the slope of a line? Rise over run. Okay, so it's rise over run. And in this case, what is it? 1/2. No. What's wrong with the 1/2? She's forgetting something. What is it? It's a negative. Why? Yeah, it's going to the left, okay? So it's negative. Okay, but it is still 1/2 though. Sorry, we got 3 more and we're done. Okay, sketch the graph. All these are graph sketching. Okay, the x-intercept is -1. Okay, so we go to the x line and find -1. The y-intercept is at what? -2. Go to the y line, find the -2. Chase, why is this not right? That's right, Chase. Freaking draw me arrows. This is a line. You gotta draw the line. Okay, you gotta draw arrows. Okay, the next one on here. Okay, does it say y equals? Yes. Okay, what do you plot first? Okay, so you plot the y-intercept first. Okay, so that starts at -5. Okay, and then we plot the slope, which is rise over run. Okay, and somewhere on here, some of you guys need to draw this. Okay, what kind of slope is that? Negative. And this one's going to be positive. Okay, so we started at -5, and then we need to do our slope. What is our slope? Up 3 over how many? 1, which way? To the left. Because why? Because it's a negative. Okay, I need my line to be negative. Don't forget your arrows, Chase. Just saying. Just saying. Can I scroll? No? You said yeah? Okay, the last one on here, okay? Does it say y equals? No. What is your first step always? Subtract the x's. Okay, and then what do we always do? Divide by what? By the number next to the y. Okay, and then graph. Like the above problem. Okay, so I got 5x minus 4y equals -8. Okay, we're going to subtract the x's. So you say minus 5x minus 5x. So I got -4y equals -8 minus 5x. Okay, and then what? Divide by help her out. What do we divide by? Divide by -4. Okay, -4. Okay, what is negative divided by a negative? Positive. So 8 divided by 4, +2. And these you can type in on your calculator piece by piece. So you can type in this part on your calculator and see what you get. And then you can type in this part minus the x on the calculator. Okay, and then what are we going to get for the second part? +5 over 4x. Okay, what's our y-intercept? 2, so start at 2. Okay, can we go up 5? Okay, so we're going to go down 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Over 4, which way? To the left. Why? Yeah, so it's a +5 over 4, so we need to go left. Okay, Okay, you guys got about maybe 16 problems to do. Okay, go through, get them done. I know most of you guys work as I'm going, but